in my soul, searching for your peace only heaven could hold. But then you touch me heart, so tender, so rare. I look upon you, I'm a whispered up prayer. Me no know how you calm the storm inside, but with you near me, no need for hide. Your love not loud, but it echo deep. It broke my pain and put me fears to sleep. And when your love blue like prayer, soft like a hush, strong like a flare, it lift me higher, take me there. Me blessed to know you really care. Your presence more healing than 10,000 songs. When I'm weak, you wrap me in sacred calm. Me used to kneel for answers late in the night. Now me just hold you and the world feel right. This kind of love, it deeper than river, holier than altar. Your love is me, hallelujah.